Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you as we know that Tech Mahindra announced the mass hiring for 2024 batch, and in the upcoming weeks we will receive the update that is related to examination. So today we have a special guest with us, Muskan. Muskan already cracked the Tech Mahindra opportunity in 2022 year. Muskan is a part of Online Learning YouTube channel. So first of all, thank you so much, Mushkan. You are sharing your interview experience with us complete. So introduce yourself, Muskan.
Thank you so much, Lokesh sir. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Muskan Sharma and I'm working in a product-based company right now. I cracked Tech Mahindra company in 2022. In cracking this company, online learning channel helped me a lot. So I request you to please follow all the playlists mentioned on the channel, and we will update all the videos related to the Tech Mahindra interview experience as well as preparation material. In today's video, I am going to tell you my interview experience that is held in 2022. Thank you so much.
Okay. So one of the most important point, as we know that this year the process is changed. Okay. This year and previous year, that the first round, second round and third round is online and the fourth and fifth round is offline at Tech Mahindra offices. So what about the first round? How to prepare for that? And what's your strategy?
Yeah, first round is of aptitude round along with the English essay part. In the aptitude round, it comprises of the numerical and logical ability, like the questions of LCM, percentage, averages. Likewise, question will be asked. In the essay, in the English part, basic English questions like grammar questions will be asked, like jumble sentences, answer in one word, fill in the blanks. These type of question will be asked within a given time frame of 15 minutes. 12 questions will be asked in the time of 15 minutes. After that, one essay question will be asked. One basic topic will be given to in the question in the paper, and you have to answer that essay part in a very I can say in an appropriate manner, that it should not exceed a word limit. It should be free from grammatical mistakes also. This whole round will be of suitable time period, so you have to check and you have to maintain the time, and you have to check the time for every part, like for uh, aptitude round as well as of English round.
Okay. So, as we know that the every round is elimination round. Okay. So, how was the test level, difficulty level of first round? So, because as all the rounds are elimination round.
Yeah, as all the rounds are elimination round, basically at my time, I was in the fear that whether I'm able to crack first round or not. So, according to the difficulty level, I can say the first round is easy part. Is I can say the easy, because but you have to check the time frame. I'm saying again, because time go very fast in this in all the sections, I can say.
Okay. So means the time is very important. You have to solve all the questions in the given time frame. Okay. So what
Yeah.
about the second round? The second round is related to technical and psychometric test, in which the three parts are consist: computer fundamental, computer science, coding, and psychometric test. So explain.
Yeah, in the second round, the technical part is there. As you mentioned, as you said that computer fundamental questions, it basically comprise of networking question, operating system questions, likewise question will be asked. And in the computer programming, basic pseudo questions will be there. And in the psychometric test, 72 questions will be asked within the time frame of 15 minutes. So you have to answer those questions uh, in a very fast manner, because 72 questions are very large number of amount, and 15 minutes are very less for them. And you have to check each and every question, because the question is based on that you have to answer, that you are strongly agree or disagree. So you have to check whether you are answering right or not. So you have to maintain the time frame in this case also.
And in the second round, pseudo codes are asked, technical MCQs are asked. There is a coding section. So at your time, what type of coding question ask? What's the difficulty level of that coding questions?
Yeah, two coding questions will be there, which is of 45 minutes. The difficulty level, I can say, first question is very basic. Uh, in my case, all the test cases have been passed for first question. And the second question, I can say it is of medium level.
Okay.
Uh, in my case, two two test cases have not been passed, to be honest, but it is of medium type.
Okay. So means we can expect the coding question as a easy to medium level.
Yeah.
So the topics that I mentioned in my previous video, that array, string, okay, recursion. So these topics
Yeah.
are important.
Yeah, recursion is a very important topic because 3 to 4 questions in the pseudo part are of recursion,
Okay.
and I got stuck in that recursion questions only.
Okay.
So you have to check the recursion questions, DBMS questions, and basically you have to check the object-oriented programming questions.
Okay. Yeah, so means in the computer science part, computer fundamentals, we have pseudocode, and in the computer science, object-oriented programming, SQL, DBMS, whole over the
Yeah,
important subject, data structure basics. Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah.
Data structure questions are not very asked in this part.
Okay.
Uh, Object-oriented programming is must.
Okay. So means so we can expect the questions from OOPS, DBMS, SQL,
Yeah,
okay, and
yeah,
computer network. Okay.
yeah. Computer network.
Okay. So the next is related to third round. That is a conversational test, or we can say that a communication round. So how was your experience related to communication round?
The communication round is easy, but you have to focus on the wordings or the paragraph or the sentence given by the speaker. You have to listen that story or that paragraph, because after explaining or after speaking that story or paragraph, they will ask the question from them, or they will say to repeat the statement, to answer the question in one word. uh, it is of, I guess, 15 to 20 minutes round, but you have to focus on every word of the speaker in this round.
Okay. I think that like the time frame is 15 to 20 minutes or more, because there are like 4 to 5 section: read, repeat, answer question, jumble
Uh,
sentence.
for the time frame, I'm not sure, but
Hmm.
uh, questions are very much in amount, because uh, they ask simultaneously, very means they didn't give any break in between asking the question.
Okay.
So
Yeah. So basically, friends, like Tech Mahindra communication round is just like Accenture communication round. In Accenture, there are like section like read, repeat, write, question and answer, jumble sentence. You have to like read the story, okay, and you have to answer that. So this type of questions will be asked. We will come up with one separate video of conversational test or communication round. So the last round is related to Muskan technical and HR interview. So at your time, 2022 year, I think the interview is online. So how was your overall experience of your interview? And this time interview is offline.
yeah,
Yeah.
at my time, I was waiting whether I qualified previous round or not, because every round is elimination round. So when I got the mail that I cleared the previous round, I was very happy from that. And basically, the technical and HR round at my time was only one. And the interviewer was very friendly in asking me the question. He was asking the question that is based on my resume.
Okay.
Whatever the things based on my resume, he was asking the questions from that only. First question was that introduce yourself. When I was introducing myself, he picked out the words or the things which I was saying, and then asking me the question from that. I was saying that I'm good in Python and I worked on this project and all. So he picked the technology that I mentioned in my resume, or I was saying in my introduction. Then he was asking me that what do you know about, like he was asking about the NumPy, what do you know about NumPy, and what projects you have done using NumPy and Matplotlib and all. So And also he was asking me my final year project, that what challenges I have faced in that project, and how I overcome that challenges. Uh, and my interview was of 20 to 25 minutes. In that 25 minutes only, he asked me technical questions as well as HR questions also. But as you mentioned that in this year, the interview will be offline. So in this case, as the interview will be in Tech Mahindra office, so candidates have to present or have to bring their resume along with them. So I can say that tech interview is basically based on the resume that candidate is preparing. So I would request everyone to please maintain or prepare a resume in very strong manner, or I can say the things you have known already, because interview will ask from that resume things only.
Okay. So means you have to prepare your resume. So is there any other questions that they ask in the interview? Like you mentioned, you have to prepare your project resume. So what kind of HR question they ask? Why do you want to join Tech Mahindra? Like this type of question.
Yeah, this question was there. First question of HR round is he was asking me that what are your hobbies, first of all. That after that he was asking me that why do you want to join Tech Mahindra, and after 5 years where you want to see yourself in Tech Mahindra.
Okay. This type
These
of
type of
question.
questions. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So means this is your overall interview experience of your examination and like interview. So as you mentioned that the what like what about the overall experience? Like what is the difficulty level of whole examination and the interview combined? It is like easy, medium, or difficult?
According to the coding question that have been asked in the round three, I can say that the coding round is easy to medium, but overall experience, I can say of mine was easy. But the thing is, when I was going these rounds, my friends was also saying that these rounds are very easy, and they think they will also qualify, and they think that they have given their best, and the questions were very easy. But when the elimination were there, so they come up with the interview. The overall experience was easy, but the elimination was there. They select only the best out of the performance.
Okay, means your performance is very matter. Like your
Yeah,
performance matter in all over exam and the interview.
yeah,
That decides your
yeah.
final selection. And yes, friend, so you have to perform very well in each and every round, okay, because all rounds are elimination. And the next important thing after clearing this round and interview, if your performance is very good, so they will give you opportunity of SuperCoder, that is of 5.5 LPA, in which two coding questions will be asked. And if you clear that coding question, so they will give you opportunity of SuperCoder. So this is all about the complete Tech Mahindra process. And in the upcoming weeks after completing the examination, Muskan will also share like the interview questions that is related to Tech Mahindra HR and TR. So we will share each and every update with all of you related to free preparation. So thank you so much, Muskan. You shared your overall interview experience as well as the exam experience. It will very helpful for all candidates.
Thank you so much, sir. One thing I want to mention here, that after clearing this ASE round, in you people excel in ASE round. This supercoder opportunity allows you to pass only on the basis of the coding question. There is no interview round after that.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for adding this point. There is no interview, but like this year, the process is different. So it will totally depends on them. So we have to wait for the particular update, but you have to perform very well in AAC. So you will be eligible for the particular supercoder opportunity. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay. And like we will share the free preparation video in the next 1 to 2 days. Thanks. Thank you, Muskan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks, everyone.